Welcome to my GM part. We ship genuine OEM GM parts from our dealership to your door. The front grille assembly is more than just good looks. It's a critical component that protects your radiator and allows proper airflow to keep your engine running cool. See exactly how the grille fits and looks on your vehicle from every angle. This part fits all 2019 through 2022 Chevrolet Spark models, including popular LS, LT, and RS trims. Your Spark's grille protects the radiator from debris while maintaining critical cooling airflow. Without it, your engine risks overheating. Cheap aftermarket grilles fit loose, fail faster, and leave your radiator exposed to damage. GM Genuine delivers the engineered fitment and durability your Spark was built for, keeping your engine safe for years. Shop our full catalog of genuine GM parts, all backed by GM warranty and our fitment guarantee, with fast shipping right to your door. Not sure if this grille is right for your vehicle? Give us a call with your VIN ready and we'll confirm you've got the perfect fit. Your vehicle identification number is a 17-digit code you'll find on your dashboard, inside the driver's door jamb, or on your registration card. Shop my GM part for genuine OEM parts you can count on. Genuine parts every time, never settle for aftermarket.